Hello, you're welcome to Jasmine Children's School at Sabo YouTube channel. I am Mrs. Miriam. In our Speak Right class today, don't always say delicious. There are other alternatives to this word. You can say delectable, zesty, mouth-watering, luscious, scrumptious. Do you have other words to contribute? You can drop it in the comment section. All right, let's move. You don't say, I had a sumptuous meal yesterday. No, the word sumptuous is an adjective and it describes an expensive thing, something that is quite expensive. It could be your jewelry, it could be your clothing, your dressing, it could be a beautiful house that you bought. It's a thing of luxury. Now, the right word to use to describe your meal is scrumptious. I had a scrumptious amala and a wedu last night at a five-star restaurant. The food I had this morning was very scrumptious. Scrumptious is an adjective and it describes our meal, just like the word zesty, luscious, mouth-watering, scrumptious. All right, everyone. If you find this video interesting, kindly click on our like, share, comment, and subscribe button. And always come back for more. Thank you. Bye.